Okay, so we're at my uncle's house, and here is his 2006 RHEEM Classic Series packaged heat pump running in heating mode, because it's like in the 50s out here. And the reason them bricks are on there is because they say this thing vibrates like crazy. It's a RHEEM Classic, model RQNJ-A042JK, serial 7242F 350 615 600, R22 refrigerant, heat pump, and for some reason it's got two powers, line voltage from fused disconnects. So that's that bottom one, but there's two disconnects, and that's what I want to know. What this appliance contains fiberglass. Wow. And there's the thermostat wire. Yeah, this thing does vibrate. It's blowing ice cold air out the top, so I guess that means it's in heating mode. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's a 3.5 ton. There's the ducts. It's installed a decent amount away from the house. But yeah, anyways, it's a RHEEM out.